After that, next is question number 19. First of all, read this question. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach rupees 7,000? Okay, Subbarao started working in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000. So here every time increment is set, so this forms one AP. Okay, every time increment is of rupees 200. That's why we can form the AP here. Okay, so here our AP. First of all, salary is 5,000. Okay, and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. So each year his salary increase up to 200. So first year 5,000, so next year 5200, up to next 5400. Okay, every year 200 increase. Okay, so Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. So every year we need to add 200. Okay, in which year did his income reach to 7,000? So every time 200 increasing up to, at one time it becomes 7,000. But we don't know in which year it becomes 7,000. After how many years it becomes 7,000, that we don't know, and that we need to find. Okay, started with the salary 5,000, every year 200 increment. Okay, so in which year salary becomes 7,000? Okay, so that means we need to find in which year salary becomes 7,000. That means we need to find the value of n. In which year? Okay, that means in which term value 7,000. So we need to find the value of n. Okay, first year salary 5,000, every year 2,000 increment. So we need to find the value of n in which year salary becomes 7,000. Okay, so here our first term A is equal to 5,000. Common difference D, A2 minus A1. Second term minus first term. So 5200 minus first term 5,000. It is 200. And we know the value of this term. We know the value of AN 7,000. But we need to find value of N. In which year it becomes 7,000? Okay, so we need to find the value of N. So now we need to use this value. AN is equal to 7,000. Use the formula of AN. What is the formula of AN? A plus N minus 1D is equal to 7,000. Now put the value of A, it is 5,000, plus N minus 1 into D. D is 200 is equal to 7,000. Now from here we need to find the value of n. Okay, so first of all transfer this 5,000 to the right hand side. So here n minus 1 into 200, here 7,000. If we transfer this 5,000 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 5,000. Okay, so n minus 1. Now 7,000 minus 5,000, 2,000. And here we need to find the value of n. So transfer this 200 to the right hand side. It goes to the denominator. Okay, so here 0 0 cancel, right? 2 tens are. So finally n is equal to, here we have the value 10. Transfer this 1, it becomes plus 1. So n is equal to 11. So n is equal to 11. That means this is the 11th term. This is the 11th term of the AP. That means after 11 years, salary becomes 7,000. Okay, after 11 years, salary becomes 7,000. So at last we can write after 11 years. That means in year, right now 1995. After 11 years, that means in 2006. Okay, income of Subbarao reached at rupees 7,000. Okay, so here we are getting the value of n, that means after 11 years salary becomes 7,000. Okay, so after 11 years, that means in 2006, Subbarao get the salary 7,000. Okay, started with 5,000, every time 200 increment. In which year it becomes 7,000? So we need to find the value of n. So after 11 years, salary becomes 7,000. Okay. Now, next is question number 20. Read this question. Here even we have similar type question. Ramkali saved ₹5 in the first week of a year. Okay, and then increased her weekly saving by ₹1.75. So every week he increased the saving 1.75 rupees. If in the nth week her weekly saving become rupees 20.75, so find the value of n. Okay, so here even we have the similar type of question and we need to find the value of n. And one more thing, every time he increased the saving by 1.75. So every time increment is sum, so it is even forms the AP. Okay, every time addition is sum. Okay, every time he saved 1.75 rupees more, right? So every time we need to add the same value, that means it forms the AP. Okay, so here we can form the AP. First week ₹5, then increase by 1.75. So 5 plus 1.75, it is 6.75. Again we need to add 1.75 because every week increase the saving by 1.75. So again 1.75. So 7 and 8, 8.5, right? And up to 20.75. Okay, here we have the AP. Started with 5, every time 1.75 we need to add. So 6.75, 8.5 up to 20.75. So from here we need to find the value of n. This is the saving of nth week. We need to find the value of n. So here our first term A is equals to 5. Common difference D, A2 minus A1. Second term 6.75 minus first term 5. It is 1.75 rupees. And AN, we know the value of this term 20.75, but we need to find the value of n. Okay, so last term AN that we know, but we need to find the value of n. So now use the formula of AN. First of all, AN is 20.75. Now AN that means A plus n minus 1D, 20.75. Now A, it is 5 plus n minus 1 into D, it is 1.75. And here we have 20.75. Now we need to find the value of n, so transfer this 5 to the right hand side. So n minus 1, here 1.75, here we have 20.75. Transfer this plus 5 to the right hand side, it becomes minus 5. So n minus 1 is equals to, here 20.75 minus 5, it is 15.75, right? If we transfer this 5 to the right hand side, it becomes minus. Now 20.75 minus 5, it is 15.75. And if we want to find the value of n, so transfer this number to the right hand side. Right now it is in multiplication. If we transfer it to the right hand side, it goes to the denominator. Okay. So now we can find the value of n. First of all, do this division process. Okay. If we want to remove the decimal point from here, so we need to put the 100 here. Here even after decimal point 2 digits are there, so remove the decimal point and we need to put 100 here. Okay, so this 100 cancel. Now we need to do the division process. So 175 and 1575. So which value we can use here? Maybe 7 are. So just 7 5s are 35, 7 7s are 49 plus 3. 49 plus 3 52, 7 is 7 plus 5 12. Okay, one more time. So 175 to 8. 8 5s are 40. No, but here we want right. So 9s are 9 5s are 45. 9 7s are 63 plus 4 67. 9 is 9 plus 6 5. Yes, 175 9s are. So here we have the answer 9. right? This is our rough work. Now transfer this minus 1 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1, so 9 plus 1 n is equals to 10. So in 10th week his saving become rupees 20.75. Okay, so in this type of word problem we need to generate the AP, and from that we need to decide which thing we need to find. Okay, here first week saving 5 rupees, every time increase by 1.75, so 6.75, 8.5 and reach up to 20.75. But in which week, that we need to find. So we need to find the value of n. So from here we get the value of a, d, a2 minus a1, 1.75. Put this formula here, a plus n minus 1d. From here find the value of n. We will get the answer, n is equals to 10. So in 10th week, our weekly saving becomes rupees 20.75. Okay, so students, here our exercise 5.2 is complete. If you have any doubt, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Okay, thank you.